Hi friends. This is Kali. So today we are going to talk about the code.org. This website will help you to be your kids to learn computer in very easy manner. Okay. So this is also free website. Okay. So this is a American-based organization which they will roll out for this program for all over the world. So any kids can join their user ID and password and they can do their homework. Okay, let's go to this website one by one and demonstrate the even how they can learn also. So here also same thing, you can see the learn and also you will get what to learn and how to learn. So this course is for kids, so the grade 7 until K to 5 and grade 6 to 12 and beyond K and 12 also. Okay. So this is a very small journey about the kids can learn the computer slowly and doing some exercise, more kind of exercise. So that will help the kids to learn more about the computer programming. Okay. So as I teach how can join, as I can join as any my UCD password and I can help the student elementary and middle school student and even high school also. Okay. So for elementary school we can have the computer science fundamentals will be there and pre-reader expresses and the computer science fundamental express also entire until high school. Professional learning for all grade levels also is available. So this is the overall program which they run and it will start from K to 5 initially. This is a computer fundamental, so that will help you to be for kids to they are studying class 1, 2 and 5. Okay. So how I can join? So we have the sign in button. So with help of sign in button you can join and this is this is a lab and you can create some exercise and those things also which you can do. These are pre-defined projects also available. Okay, let's go with the sign in button. Okay, so I can sign in with my user ID password. Okay, so I can continue with my Google. Okay, so I'm logging with my ID and it will take you to in my login page. Okay, so this page already logged in by myself as well as for my kid. Okay, so my kid already she worked on that and her name is Samita. So she already did a lot of project in this site and let's see one by one what she learned and how we can take it forward to the next level. Okay. So this will help you to do some small exercise like computer programming that do by these are all the exercise which my kid did it. Okay, so and these are all even some things they can utilize for their purpose also. Okay, I will go to my dashboard. Okay, if you go my dashboard with my login ID, so here I can find it the course which I did it, my kid did it. Okay, let's see the continued lesson. Okay, so these are all exercise page. So this is a very interesting one. So my kid already done for a lot of activity. So you can see here course A 2020. So she completed the sequencing, all those things. So now we are in the loop. Okay, so now we'll take it one program which you can understand here from here itself. Okay, so this is a programming which they have. Okay, so this is a robo which they want to reach it over here. Okay, when the robo want to reach, we can say this 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 steps are involved here, but even though how we can go arrow mark. So let's move forward till come here and down, we can make it down and move forward, then it is down, then forward and move down. Okay, so let's run here one by one. has completed. So like that we can do, your kids also do the program, so that will help you to be go for even next level also. Okay, thank you.